So the brand we are talking about is Domino's Pizza, and Domino's Pizza first opened in Singapore in 2009. Yeah. So for the journey, the customer journey map, for Domino's, their main target is teenagers and families who like to eat together. Yeah. I mean, uh, for the user touch point, uh, customers can call Domino's to order their pizza, and then they have a hotline in Singapore. And then a lot of customers are not satisfied with the customer service because sometimes it takes very long for the call to be picked up. Next for next when the customers talk with the Domino's worker to order their pizza, they might feel some of them might feel the workers are like very rude. Then they may not want to patronize the store anymore. So maybe Domino's can try to expand by also allowing customers to order on other platforms such as Grab and Foodpanda, where they don't have to directly talk to the customers, but still allow the customers to have a good customer service. For delivery timing, um, Domino's has complaints about their food not arriving on time. So Domino's can hire more employees to make the pizzas and deliver the pizza. And they can also try to comfort the comfort the customer by giving vouchers, which they do right now. For payment method, uh, Domino's accepts online payment and cash, but for some outlets, they still only accept cash payment, so it might be a bit troublesome. So Grab can try to be more like try to have more online payment methods, so it's more convenient for the customer. And then for the food, the taste of the food wise, the pizza is very yummy, but because of the waiting time, the pizza might get cold and salty. So again, they can hire more delivery people so they can deliver the pizza at a faster time so that it will come yummy to the customer. Yeah, that's all.